Objective for dilations will be to identify a dilation and to draw a dilation. What is a dilation? It's a transformation that changes the size but not the shape of any image. We've had lots of transformations so far. We've had a reflection. We have had translations, rotations, and then our last one here is a dilation. All three of these we said were isometries. Remember, isometry means the size and the shape stay the same. This one is a little bit different because it changes the size, but the shape remains the same. So let's look at these. Which of these is a dilation, if any of them are? The first one, the shape has been changed, so it's not a dilation. No, the shape is different. And in a dilation, the shape is maintained, the size just changes. For B here, that triangle, for all intents and purposes, looks to be the same. It's just larger, so yes, this is a dilation. Now, a dilation enlarges or reduces all dimensions in whatever figure it is proportionally by using a scale factor. If you take all of the sides and you multiply them by a scale factor that is greater than 1, that's going to give you an enlargement of your original image. And if you multiply by a scale factor that's less than 1, that's going to give you a reduction of your original image. Okay, so for this one, I have PQR already drawn with the coordinates -4, 4, -2, -2, and 4, 0. Now I'm going to multiply them by a scale factor of 2 for part A. So to multiply them by a scale factor of 2 just means multiply x and y by a scale factor of 2. If you have a scale factor of k, then your new points would just be kx and ky. So our new points here are just going to be P prime is going to be -8, 8. Let's plot that. Our Q prime is going to be -4, -4. Let's plot that. And our R prime is going to be 8, 0. So there's my new figure under a dilation by a factor of 2. Now when we multiply by a factor of 2/3, we're going to end up with some fractions. We're going to have to approximate a little bit, but that's okay. So P prime is going to be -8/3, 8/3. So -8/3 is like -2 2/3. So about right there. Then Q prime is going to be -4/3, -4/3. So that's about -1 1/3. So about right there. And then R prime is going to be 4/3, 0. So it's 1 1/3, 0. About right there. So here is our dilation with a scale factor that was less than 1, and you can see that it's smaller.